Diski TV powered by World Sports Betting, diskitimes.co.za. Currently, South Africa is losing to Mexico. Kostof, Shapunja. Mfethu mina namhlala ngikubona mfethu kuma live and all that, but
Yeah.
I never see you. I've never seen you in person.
Yeah, man, it's good to see you in person when I pace. I think it's a good introduction. Bafana playing, and we get to meet. As we know each other as people who support two different teams. But it's good to meet, man. Just to watch a World Cup and just to break down the game.
First 3 minutes mfethu ziyabuya. Ronwen makes it safe.
Yeah.
Lezakada, this guy Raul uyasondela. Shy power, and you can see in the power yakhona ukuthi aziyabuya laphayana. So what comes to your mind masawubona ama-blunders lawa siwayenza in the first 5 minutes?
Yeah, no, I wouldn't say it's just blunders on a pace. You go into this game, it makes you quite a host. Extra motivation for them being the host, and you listen to I'm a coach in Mexico speaking before the game. You can smell the motivation. You can hear the motivation from the coaches. You can hear analysis. Yeah, coach. They've went into detail in terms of how they analyzed every player there is, like Bafana. They went into detail in terms of how they analyzed how the team plays individually, how the players, because you could tell the coach is telling you about what how the individual teams are playing, the clubs for the players, how those players play. In those teams, you can feel the detail going into that game. In Mexico, they are very aggressive in their approach. As the host, they have to be aggressive. They have to show us that they are hosting the game. You can also see the preparation in terms of the press, the aggression that they went into, getting that chance for Jimenez. He takes a shot. I think brilliant save from Ronza. I kept Bafana in the game. But they continue to be reluctant. They continue to the press. They forced some errors from inside Bafana. That was the breakdown of the first half. Just forcing Bafana into errors, pressing Bafana at the back, pressing the build-up scheme, press with those players, big aggressive on the press. That was the definition of how the game began and how aggressive it was.
Gustavo right now, ngivula ifoni yami.
Yeah.
An hour before game iqala, I see starting 11. What comes to your mind?
You're starting 11, you are like, okay, the coach is very extra cautious. For me, it's the coward's approach. The coward's approach is very cautious. He goes with 5 at the back. He goes with 3 central midfielders and 2 strikers high up the pitch. For me, it screams no creativity. There's no plan in attack, but a plan in defense. But even with that extra plan in defense, extra player in defense, 2 more players in defense in the middle of the park, it says that the coach is very cautious in his approach. Is very cowardice in his approach. He's there to defend. Basically, he's there to try get a draw out of this game instead of going for the win. You can tell in the play. Even the players themselves, they were confused on what to do. Would get the ball and would just give it back to Mexico. Mexico hardly ran in the first half. They hardly chased for the ball because it did not make them chase for the ball. Whenever would get the ball, it's either our centre backs get the ball. Usitole, you give him the ball, he's nowhere to be found. He has no idea of what to do with the ball in terms of progressing it higher up the pitch. I think with Adams, no tapes that they tried to get us through to this final third, but nothing happened. Also, Abo Foster, no Renas, they were not there for us to see. Game when there were no balls to try to give to our strikers. There was no creativity to give to our strikers. You cannot fully push Opri. At times, even the players themselves, they were confused. You could see Umpogazi even higher up, more than Opri in the pitch, and it's something that confused the players. The general approach from the coach is something that confused the players.
So ama-red card ayenzekile ethimini. We have 2 ama-red card, and we see ama-players losing focus, ama-player losing their cool. We see uThemba Mshishizwane who hardly loses cool yakhe ushaya impama.
Yeah.
What's happening there?
No. Red card. One, Ustole has been playing this game under pressure. For me, this season, Ustole has not been on his best performance. This whole season, whether it's at club level, whether it's for Bafana, whenever it get called up for a friendly, it did not give us what we know of Ustole. Even on the ball, he was poor. Off the ball, even more poor from a player fan Ustole. And we hope such a player can recover and get back to himself if the coach is going to continue playing him. That's what you would want from the players to improve. Going into a red card corner, you can see it's almost a forced red card. If you don't do anything there, the ball goes the back of the net. The player takes the shot. You know, hardly a lot of physical contact from Musitole, but whatever contact there is there, it will always get you a red card. After such a poor game to get a red card, you've put us a goal down, and we go get a goal down after what do you call the stick? That red card, a goal down after that red card. So it made the game extra difficult for us. Liagazwane, yeah, you can say it's a bit harsh from your own perspective. Maybe as a South African, you can say it's a bit harsh. But yeah, to bambi player ngesandla in that instance, and with the VAR there, yeah, it's fucking king.
Yeah, Vitu, again, a very questionable decision by Ustole, going back to the first 8 minutes whereby we concede a goal to Mexico. He's facing a goalkeeper, right? He receives, he doesn't scan. He doesn't scan the ball, we get punished. So, what would you say, ngama players? Do you think that maybe are we really comfortable in staying? Are we comfortable ngokuhlala playing with PSL and not looking at my mistakes? Because remember, most of these players they play lapha in Africa.
Yeah.
Most of these players they play Africa, and I'm talking about nama players lawe Sundowns, and they hardly make a mistake kanje. What would you say, coach, for choosing Usithole? Because I think a lot of people have been complaining. Even if ungacheck laphana kuma social media, so many people are complaining Usithole. Foster were complaining about him, and I think namhlanje abasinikanga next.
Yeah, it's approaching that game ngalama midfielder we-3. Approaching that game ngalama midfielder we-3, usifake enkingeni. Usifake enkingeni if Usithole is not gonna do well in the build-up phase, especially coming to collective ball. If it's gonna make a lot of errors, it's gonna get us in trouble. That's what's gonna happen when I pace. And the moment you ask Utevza to drop deep, it means you are sacrificing players. You'd have 5 players behind the ball, you'd have your 5 defenders behind the ball, and you have 2 extra players behind the ball. The moment you ask Utevza or Adams to come drop deep, to come collect the ball, it means you are sacrificing a player higher up the pitch. You are sacrificing the bit of creativity that you can get higher up the pitch. For us to suffer in the build-up phase, I think it goes to preparation. Mexico, that they were well prepared. They know exactly how to press us. If you can see some of the errors that we've made, you've seen such errors from Bafana. You've seen such errors from Sundowns. You've seen such errors maybe from Orlando Pirates in the build-up phase with our players. It goes on with the extra preparation that Morocco went in with. That's what we saw in Apese.
First game of the World Cup. First game of the World Cup, we lose. Yeah. And mina the way ngibona ngakhona, right? I think we were preparing a lot, not for a World Cup, but we were preparing kakhulu for in Mexico. And we're going to play Czech Republic, we're going to play South Korea. Do you think ukuthi lento leyo ukuthi besipreparele Mexico kakhulu will affect us going forward? And what do you think of the mentality of Amajita losing the first game of World Cup, which is one of the biggest games abayidlala Amajita, and you know ukuthi it's been called a rematch of the World Cup. What do you think the mentality of Amajita will be going forward with the World Cup?
What I've picked up Bafana going into the tournament. Every first game we tend to be poor. Usually with first games we tend to lose them. You can go back and reference maybe the past 2 AFCONs that we've went to. Almost lost the first game. It did not go well, but the players managed to pick themselves up. It's the biggest stage in football. This is the biggest tournament in the world of football. You'd hope the players can carry themselves and motivate themselves. One, you have Zuzwane, who has been longing to play the World Cup, and he goes on with the red card, which hurts. Also losing his toll, it hurts to the players. It's not easy to lose a man in game, and it's not easy to lose a man whereby you've prepared so much. Who knows the preparation in South Korea? Maybe it consists of Zuzwane in the team. Maybe it consists of Stoll in a different role in the team. Hopefully the player spirits are not broken. They understand it's the opening game. When you're playing the host, the level of motivation maybe is different, but the opponents which are still going to play is still going to be tough, but they have to rise from the occasion, fix their mistakes. It's good at times to make mistakes so that you can see whatever mistake that you made, and you can fix it going to the next game. And the South Koreans also, they are watching this game. They are prepared for Bafana. If you are a good team, like I believe Bafana is, they're prepared for every game, not just in Mexico. You are here to play 3 different oppositions, which is South Korea, Mexico, Czechia. You have the first game wrapped. You have 2 more games to try get some more points. That's what they need to go out and do. Try get some more points and qualify for the next round.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. This is Gustavo. And with Use Percival, very happy for this interview mfethu. Yazi ngaze ngakubona kunini. Sibonana nje kuphela masibhanthakana kuphela. Yeah, that's it, man. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.